Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed many industries by revolutionizing the way businesses operate. AI is the science of making machines intelligent, which means that machines can learn from their experiences, analyze data, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. AI can help businesses to achieve their goals and stay ahead of the competition by improving efficiency, productivity, and profitability. In this article, we will explore the importance of AI and how businesses can take advantage of AI to grow their business. Importance of AI. AI has numerous applications across different industries. Here are some of the key areas where AI is making an impact. Automation. One of the most significant benefits of AI is automation. AI can automate many processes, which means that businesses can save time and money by eliminating repetitive and manual tasks. Automation can also improve the accuracy and consistency of processes, reducing errors and improving quality.
Personalization. AI can help businesses to personalize their products and services to meet the individual needs of customers. AI can analyze customer data, preferences, and behavior to create personalized recommendations and experiences, which can improve customer satisfaction. Decision-making. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to make accurate predictions and informed decisions. AI can identify patterns, trends, and insights that humans may miss, enabling businesses to make better decisions. Cost reduction. AI can help businesses to reduce costs by improving efficiency and productivity. AI can automate processes, reduce waste, and optimize resource utilization, which can save businesses money in the long run. Innovation. AI can drive innovation by enabling businesses to develop new products and services that meet emerging customer needs. AI can analyze customer feedback and market trends to identify opportunities for innovation, which can give businesses a competitive advantage.